Welcome to the ultimate guide to organic gardening, 7 steps to success. Organic gardening is a rewarding practice that nurtures both the soil and your soul. It's about growing plants naturally, without the use of synthetic chemicals, creating a thriving ecosystem within your garden. The rewards? Beautiful, healthy plants and a cleaner environment. Our guide will walk you through 7 key steps, from planning your garden to winter preparation, to help you cultivate a successful organic garden. By following these 7 steps, you too can have a flourishing organic garden. The first step to successful organic gardening involves planning. Choosing the right location is crucial, taking into account sunlight, soil quality, and water access. Select plants that thrive in your climate and soil type. A well-planned garden is the foundation of a successful organic garden. Step 2 involves preparing the soil. The vitality of your organic garden depends largely on soil health. Enrich your soil using compost or other organic matter. This natural fertilizer boosts nutrient content, promoting robust plant growth. Remember, healthy soil equals healthy plants. Step 3 is all about planting. Planting is an art that considers the right time of year and conditions for each plant type. Whether you're planting seeds or seedlings, remember, depth, spacing, and timing are critical. Proper planting techniques ensure your plants have the best start. The 4th step involves watering and feeding your plants. This is crucial for their growth and health. Regular watering coupled with nourishing organic fertilizers can work wonders. It's all about creating a balanced ecosystem for your plants to thrive in. Remember, your plants need food and water just like you do. Step 5 is managing pests organically. Embrace nature's balance through companion planting, encouraging beneficial insects, and crafting homemade organic sprays. These strategies use the Earth's own tools to deter pests. Organic pest control methods help keep your garden healthy without harmful chemicals. Step 6 is all about the fruits of your labor. Harvesting. Knowing when to harvest is crucial. Generally, leafy greens can be picked early while root vegetables need more time. After harvesting, store them in a cool, dry place. Enjoy the bounty of your organic garden. The final step is preparing your garden for winter. It's crucial to mulch and compost your garden to protect it from the harsh cold. Mulching insulates the soil, while composting enriches it for the next planting season. Proper winter preparation sets you up for success in the spring. Those were the 7 steps to successful organic gardening. From planning your garden to preparing the soil, planting, watering, and feeding, to managing pests, harvesting, and preparing for winter, each step is crucial and interconnected. It's like a dance, each move leading to the next. With every step, you cultivate not just plants, but a deeper understanding and connection with nature. With these 7 steps, you're well on your way to creating a successful organic garden. Happy gardening!